Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's NA Charles here, and in today's video guys, we are going to be looking at how you can start generating quality leads for your business. And I'm so happy to tell you that with the free tool that I'm about to expose to you, you can start generating leads for your business absolutely for free. So I came across some videos on YouTube, and I saw so many people talking about paid tools on using paid tools to generate quality leads and all of that. But here in this video is you're going to be learning how to do it for free, and you can do it unlimited. You are not restricted. All you have to do is to follow every precept I talk about on this video, so that by the end of every of your action you'll be able to generate quality leads for your business. So it doesn't really matter if you want to go into cold emailing, cold calling, SMS marketing and all of that. With the vital information I'm going to be providing to you, you will be able to start generating leads for any specific marketing strategy that you want to use. So you can see here is I have a spreadsheet, okay, and this spreadsheet basically contains so many informations on different components, on different people, different industries and all of that, right? You can see I have the company's name here. I also have their location. I also have their phone number, which is the contact information, which is very and super important when it comes to lead generation and all of that, right? So this video is going to be showing you how you do it, so you don't have to stress yourself about it. Everything you need to learn, everything you need to do to be able to generate leads for yourself is what you're about to learn. So without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to go straight into details and show you guys how you can start generating quality leads for your business. So the first thing we have to do right now is we want to install a particular software. Remember I told you it is free, so you don't have to worry about paying credit card and all of that. It is absolutely for free. So I'm going to head over to my browser, okay, and the tool we are going to be making use of is known as Data Scraper, okay. This is the tool that we are going to be making use of. All right, there are so many other tools that you can use in generating quality leads for your business, but for me, I'm showing you the tools that I make use of personally, okay. So me showing you is because I have confidence in the tool. So you want to make sure you use the tool that I talk about in every of my videos, so that you don't have issues or whatsoever like that. So the first thing you're going to do right now is you want to install those two on your browser, okay. So maybe you make use of a laptop or a desktop device. You need to make sure you install those two known as Data Scraper. So I'm just going to head over to instant data scraper, sorry. All right, and I'm going to install the software, okay. So you can see here is the software here. It is known as instant data scraper. So with this tool, basically we are going to be making use of this tool to generate quality leads for our business. And I told you, are not restricted. You can use the leads you generated for anything whatsoever: cold calling, cold email marketing, SMS marketing and all of that. So you can see that me myself, I have the tool already installed on my laptop, and that is why it is asking me to remove. So if you don't have this tool installed on your laptop, okay, you are going to be getting the blue check mark here that says install on your laptop. So me, I have it already, and that is why it's asking me to remove from Chrome. So once you've been able to install it successfully, you'll be able to see it here on your extension folder. So here's your extension folder, and you should be able to see the instant data scraper application, okay. So you're going to make sure you pin the application, make sure you pin it. So for you to be sure that you have pinned it, you're going to be seeing that it is going to be blue. So I'm just going to unpin, and you can see it is white already, and I'm going to click on pin, and you can see it is already showing blue, and you can see it here that it is showing, okay. You can see the instant data to here, sorry, that it is showing. So if I click on the instant data to successfully, if I've been able to install it on my laptop, I should be getting something that looks like this. So let me just click on, and you can see. So this is what the instant data scraper tool is going to look like. So you can see successfully that you've been able to do it. You're going to be having something that looks like this. So now let's move on to the next step, so which is very easy. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to head over to our word browser again. We want to open a new tab, and what we want to do right now is we want to put in the information of the kind of leads that we are trying to generate, okay, the kind of leads that we are trying to generate. So for me, I'm going to be practicalizing all these things so that you will be able to understand really fast and really better. So what I'm going to do right now is I want to generate leads on people who have eateries in London. Okay, so I'm targeting people who have eateries in London. I want to reach out to these people because I want to tell them of my service. I want to tell them of my product, and getting to make sure that they buy from me, right? So I'm going to go with the eatery. Okay, and this eatery is should be located in London. So for you, it can be anything like a mechanic workshop, maybe in Nigeria, or maybe a gym center in New York. It doesn't really matter. Okay, all you need is you need clarity on the kind of leads you want to generate. So I'm going to go with E3, right? And I'm going to be looking for them in the London sector. That is the location I want. People who have eateries in London. So you can see I already searched for it, eatery in London, and we're going to be getting a lot of information here. So much information, but we don't have to worry about the information that we are getting here. So what you're going to do right now is, if you've been able to put in the niche, all right, or the leads you want to generate, and also the location, what you have to do is you want to come over to this back this top here, and you can see where it says maps. Okay, you want to click on maps. Okay, so once you click on maps, automatically you're going to be having access to various data concerning each reach in London. So the maps itself is going to make sure that every lead that you are getting, they are active. Okay, they are active leads, because if they are not active, you might not be able to find them here on Google Maps, right? So you can see I already have a lot of information being displayed already. But the problem here is that so many persons would actually do this, and the stressful thing about this is that they would now start copying the numbers, copying email addresses, and all of that. But I'm going to show you a method that would originally help you get all of the informations all at once, so you don't have to worry, you don't have to stress yourself about it. So now that you've been able to get the maps, okay, the information of every eatery in London, okay, we are going to start extracting, or should I say scrape. We're going to be scraping all of the details so that we can use it for our marketing, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to open up my instant data scraper tool that we installed. Remember, I asked you to install the instant data scraper tool, right? If you've been able to install it, you don't have issues generating quality leads for your business. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on the tool, and once I click on it, automatically it's going to start helping me to extract every details that it's seeing on my screen. Okay, so you can see it is already working. It is working perfectly. So what you're going to do right now is you want to make sure you keep on going down and down. Okay, you want to make sure you keep on going down until you are satisfied with the number of leads you've been generating. So as the page loads up, I'm still going to keep on going down, because I want so many leads from people who own eateries in London. So it is very easy and very simple to do. So just make sure you keep on going down, and the more you go down, the more your contact list or your lead increases. The more you go down, the more you search, the more you keep on going down and down, the more your lead list increases. So now, if you're satisfied with what you've gotten, you have to just click on the instant data scraper tool again, and automatically it's going to load up, and it's also going to generate all the leads that is shown on your screen. So that is how you go about generating quality leads. So let's just click on it right now and see what it looks like. All right, so once you open it up, it's going to take a little bit of our time, but successfully it's going to load up and show us every detail that we need. So successfully I've been able to generate over 60 leads here using the instant data scraper tool, right? So it is so easy and so simple to do. Remember, I told you that you can keep on doing this on and on and on and on and on. So the more you go down, the more the lead increases. So the more you go down, the more the lead increases. So we have 60 before, so I'm just going to make sure I do up to 100. So just to show you guys how easy it is to start generating quality leads for your business. And remember, I told you that you can basically do with any niche entirely. You don't have to copy me. You can actually do it for restaurant, for gym centers, for recreation centers. It doesn't really matter. Wherever or whatsoever niche you want to can generate leads from, you can do it using this method. So I'm just going to go down for a while and keep on going down until I am satisfied with the number of leads that I have generated. So just follow me closely, because I would like to share with you some other things that will be so helpful for you, right? So now that I've been able to go down for a little while, let me click on the instant data scraper tool again, and I'm going to click on it, and let's see what's going to happen, right? So it's telling me to please wait. So I'm just going to close this one. Okay, so it's asking me to please wait. Okay, while I wait, you can see I've been able to get over 112 quality leads that I can use for marketing. So you can see this is actually what it looks like. You can see here the blue check mark that you're seeing on my screen here symbolizes the number of leads that you've been able to generate. So far so good. I've been able to get over 112 leads. So remember, I told you the more you keep on going down, the more your lead list would increase. So I'm just going to stop there for a while, okay? Because I really understand that you guys basically understand what I just showed you, and you can use this to start generating quality leads for your business. So maybe you run a social media agency, and you would like to reach out to people, tell them about your service or tell them about your product. With this method, you don't have to worry about generating quality leads because you are already generating quality leads for your business, right? So now that you've been able to get all the leads that you want, you have everything here. So how do you basically export this leads? How do you export this lead? It is very simple. We have three formats that you can use in exporting the list that you've been able to generate. So the first one here is CXV format, and which I really recommend for many of you who would like to download or get access to those lead lists on your laptop device. You need to make sure you download as a CSV, and so many of you might actually want to go with the XLXX. Basically, I don't know what this is all about, right? So I don't make use of it, but I also make use of the third option, which is known as copy all. So I can just click on copy all, and I can paste this in my Excel folder, and I can start editing. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to click on download as CSV, right? I love the download as CSV. Why? Because I basically get to clean up the lead list immediately. It is very simple to do. So I'm going to click on download as CSV. So I click on CSV, automatically it's going to my laptop, and once it's been downloading, I'm just going to come over to new tab, and I am going to open my Excel application here on my device. So let me just click on Excel application. I'm going to open that really quick and show you guys how to clean up your list so that you get the vital information you need, because of course not every information that you see there on the lead list is what you need, right? You need their contact information, you basically company's name or the name of the person and all of that. So very simple. So this is my that I have opened up. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on a blank tab. Okay, click on the blank tab, and once you click on the blank tab, you can now import the lead list that you downloaded, right? So I'm just going to click on, wait for it to load up fully, and I'm going to click on imports because I want to import the lead list here and show you guys how you clean up the list, because it's going to be really messy. So for you to be able to import it, it's simple. All you have to do right now is click on the file button. You can see where it says file, click on the file button, and what you want to do right now is you can where it says import. Okay, you want to click on the import button, and what you're going to do right now is please follow me closely. All right, follow me closely. So once you click on the import button, you want to go over to upload. Okay, go over to upload, and you want to come over and click on browse. Okay, once you click on the browse folder, automatically it's going to open up your download folder on your laptop, and what you're going to do right now is you want to look for the document that you downloaded of recent. So there is the document here, and I'm going to open this. Okay, I'm going to import this into my Excel file. All right, and we are going to be cleaning up the list. Okay, so let me click on import data, right? Import data. So click on import data, and automatically all the data will be imported into your Excel file. So from here you can now start editing. You can cleaning up things you don't need, you discard them. The things you need, you keep them to yourself. So you can see what it looks like on my screen. It is basically really rough, and what we're going to do right now is we're going to take our time to clean up the list and get the vital information we need concerning the leads that we want to reach out to, right? So the first thing I'm going to do right now is the first tab you're seeing here basically is just a Google server that we don't need all these ones from Google. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to delete it, right? So let me just click on delete column. Okay, very simple. So you can see we have another one here again. we don't need this one. Also, I'm going to also delete this. So whatever information or whatever document you don't need, please make sure you delete it so that you have clarity on the informations you need concerning your lead. So I'm also going to delete this one because I don't need it. Okay, so I'm also going to delete this one as well because I don't still need it. Good. So I need the contact, okay, and the names of the company. So you can see I have their names here, all right, and what they do basically, and I also have their addresses. So the addresses, I also have them here. You can see this is their address here, and I can reach out to them telling them that this is where they are and all of that and all of that. And so important is that you have access to their contact information. So here is their business line that you can reach out to them to. You can call them, you can send them SMS, you can do code marketing and all of that, guys. So this is how you go about generating quality leads, okay, for your business in any niche. Remember, I told you that you can do this for any niche entirely, for restaurant, for gym factories, for corporations, for anything entirely. You can get them here on your device using this method that I just shared with you. Alright, guys, so if you really found value in this video, please make sure you smash the like button, appreciation, okay, because that would actually encourage me to do more content like this and show you guys more ways on how to generate quality leads and also how to reach out to the leads that you've been able to get. So if you want to see my next video and you are yet to subscribe, please do me that favor by hitting the subscribe button and tell me what you feel about this video in the comment section below. And also, if you'd like to reach out to me, I'm going to be leaving my Telegram link, okay, where you can contact me directly on Telegram and I can help you out with whatever issue that you are basically having. So I'll see you in my next video, and until then, please you take care of yourself. Bye.